I'm Yogendra Soni.
My name is Prerna Obhan.
I work with Hamleys, the toy shop.
And I'm 19 years old.
I'm a doctor by profession.
I'm a makeup artist by passion.
We live in Bangalore.
I'm from Delhi now.
I stay in Mumbai.
And I run a few other businesses as well.
The Gen X Nano, I think it's a really convenient car. I've been waiting for a Easy Shift Nano to come out for like a really long time right now.
I'm basically buying it for my daughter.
What kind of a teenager or 20, 21-year-old wouldn't want to have a car like that?
I've been looking forward to this for a couple of years now.
The Gen X Nano, what I like about it, it is just so convenient. It is so convenient to use.
Has automated gear changing system.
So there is no clutch pedal at all present, only an accelerator and brake.
See, the name says in that it's easy and easy shift. So you don't need to manage the clutch, you don't need to manage the brake.
I think that's the biggest asset which is there, especially when you're from Bombay and when you are traveling in traffic, it's horrible. So yeah, this was really nice.
That I like.
And I decided that I'm gonna buy.
So I will stop getting the phone calls or whatever is stuck in the traffic or she's struggling with the gears.
See, the creep mode is nice in one way where you just literally have to lift off the foot off your brake.
The car starts crawling a little ahead slowly, so it's much easier. You don't need to press the accelerator, then press the brake while you're stopping.
Now Nano Gen X comes with sports mode.
You hit the little sports button and it feels way more peppier.
Which is really, really cool. It's going to get that extra kick that you need, while overtaking someone.
The looks are as adorable as ever.
If you look at it from the front, it has a smiley face.
The whole Infinity grille that they're coming up with, it gives a very sporty look to the car.
My wife loves the looks.
And the headlights, the most stylish ever.
There's a display which shows you which gear it's running on, and it's also suggests you should shift up or shift down if you're actually on the manual mode.
It's so easy, including the power steering with it.
Really responsive, really easy to turn and twist.
Plus the shorter turning radius.
It can be parked anywhere, even if it is a small road where other car is like filling.
So I think the colors are nice and vibrant. The choice, of course, I've left it with Samira on which one she wants to buy.
Red color. That I like.
It's small from outside, yet roomier from inside.
The leg space is amazing.
And it is like, actually you're not sitting in a car. I feel like there is no roof at all.
So here we get power windows, central locking with key remote. Now I've got the rear boot opening.
I think it's a fantastic boot space because I carry a vanity case. I have a couple of other bags. Everything just fits in so well.
And the Nano air conditioner is so effective. The car makes you feel as if you are indoors.
It has 24-liter tank. So if a person wants to go from Mumbai to Lonavala and back to Mumbai, he doesn't have to think about a fuel station in between.
It's absolutely maintenance free. The best part I really enjoyed is now the Bluetooth connectivity which they have given.
And car stereo, so that's the best part.
Audio system always attracted me because I am related with dance.
The safety roll bars will be a really good addition because it increases the safety features of the car.
So I thought in all aspects Nano fit the bill fairly well, and I have the peace of mind that she's in a safe vehicle.
And him gifting me a car would be the quickest way to get me to learn how to drive.
Well, to me this car gives me all that I'm looking for in terms of comfort, in terms of reliability, in terms of safety.
For me, it is perfect.
It's just you and the car and the road and no gears interfering in your experience.
Now this is a boon for the lovers. And they can continuously hold the hand, put the car in the automatic gear and then hold the hand and then they can ride.
I love it.
It's a lifesaver power-packed car.
I think the first time when I sit in the car, I'm going to be really, really excited.
I'm hoping I'll be allowed to be out a little later now that I'll have a car.
As soon as I got to know that it is open for booking, I went ahead immediately.
I was the first person to book it at Prerna Motors and we are eagerly waiting. I want it very soon.
I'm waiting desperately.
And finally it is arrived and I feel very happy.
Every day I'm asked this question, when are we going to get in and drive this new car?
I'm just waiting for it to be in my parking lot.
Actually, I'm just waiting for it to be launched so that I can get my hands on it.
So finally I booked my Nano. I'm really happy.